Hello everyone, welcome to Sermon Chess YouTube channel. In today's chess video, I am going to show you 4 different rigs and wraps for every chess players in Nimzowitsch Defence. Okay. In the end of this video, I am going to give you a checkmate puzzles for you. That puzzles answer, if you know the puzzle answer, please share your answer below the comment section. Okay, this is Nimzowitsch Defence wraps. I am going to show you 4 different rigs and wraps for every chess players. Okay, let's go to the rigs and wrap 1. Okay. Hello everyone, this is wrap number 1. White black design in 6 moves only, how to white won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch until finish this video. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. We can go to the moves. E4. This is called King's Pawn opening. Then knight c6. This is called Nimzowitsch Defence. Then white and d4. Nimzowitsch Defence. b6. Black push the pawn to b6. Then c3. Then bishop b7. Okay, we will see how to handle this match. White knight go to f3. Then black knight come to knight f6. Okay, in 2 moves black resign. Okay, we will see how to white black resign, how to white won. Okay, e5. He pushed the pawn to e5. Now knight go to h5. This is the bad moves he did. That's why black resign. Black knight is wrapped right now. g4. That's it. Now the black this black knight is wrapped. Okay, you will see. Okay, this knight cannot go there. There is a pawn. He cannot come here. There is a bishop. This cannot come here. There is a pawn. That's why in this match black resign, wrap the knight. That's it. We can go to the wrap number 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Sermon Chess YouTube channel. This is wrap number 2. White black resign in 10 moves only, how to white won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Okay, if you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, we can go to the moves. Okay, let's start with e4. King's Pawn opening, knight c6, Nimzowitsch Defence, d4, d5. This is Scandinavian variation Nimzowitsch Defence. Okay, then pawn take pawn, attack the knight, white the pawn. In this case, queen take the pawn. Then white knight go to c3 and attack the queen. Queen need to move. Queen cross a4, d4. Sorry. Now queen take the pawn and queen go to e2. Then we will see how to handle this match. Black bishop come to g4. Then attack the queen, white the bishop, and f3 push the pawn to f3 and bishop need to move, otherwise bishop lose. Okay, that's why bishop go to h5 and white bishop go to e3, attack the queen, white the bishop. Then queen need to move, queen b4. Okay, now beautiful castling make white. Okay, long castling they made. The white made a long castling. Then black turn now. Black pawn come to a6. That's it. In 2 moves, black resign. You can see why black resign. Knight go to d5. Now attack the queen in the same time. This knight attack this queen in the same time. Attack this pawn and fork the king and rook. That's why queen need to move. Okay, queen go to a5. Now defend the pawn. Why this queen defend the pawn? In this case, now bishop come to there in b6. Now attack the black queen by the white bishop. In this case, black need to cut this bishop, otherwise he lose. Now check there, then fork. If he moves, if no moves, this is checkmate, I think. Yeah, this is the checkmate. Go back to here. He can do anything because he comes like this. Then there's a checkmate again. Okay, that's why black resigned his match. We can go to the wrap number 3. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to Sermon Chess YouTube channel. This is wrap number 3. White black resign in 8 moves only, how to white won the game. Okay, I am going to show you deeply and smartly explanation. Okay, let's go to the moves. e4, King's Pawn opening, knight c6, Nimzowitsch Defence, d4, d5. Nimzowitsch Defence is Scandinavian variation. Then third move of e cross d5. Then queen take the pawn. In 8 moves, black resign. Okay. Then knight go to f3. Okay. Then bishop come to g4. Now pin the knight by the bishop. That's okay. Now bishop come to e2 and defend the bishop by the defend the knight by the bishop. Then bishop cross f3. Black bishop take the knight and bishop take the bishop and attack the queen by the bishop. Okay. Then queen cross d4. Okay. He cut the pawn by the bishop. In this case, now beautiful move make bishop. This is he made a bad move of queen cross d4 is a bad move. The blunder, big blunder. Because this bishop cut like this and there is a check in the same time. Queen take the queen. That's it. Now you can see bishop take the knight and check. Then he need to move, so otherwise he cannot do anything. If take the pawn, bishop by the pawn, then queen take the queen. That's it. In this match, black resign, white won. Okay, we can go to the wrap number 4. Okay. Hello everyone, this is wrap number 4. By black resign in 4 moves only, how to white won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Please watch until finish this video. This is very important wraps. Okay, let's go to the moves. E4, king's pawn opening, knight c6, Nimzowitsch Defence, then d4. Okay, then e5, he push the pawn to e5. That's it. Now d5. Now attack the knight by the pawn. The knight come to d4. This is the big mistake he did. If c3, push the pawn to c3. Now wrap the knight. That's it. You can see now this knight cannot go anywhere. This cannot go there, 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 cannot go there. Because there is a pawn cut, pawn, pawn. This queen take the knight, this bishop take the knight, this pawn take the knight, this pawn take the knight. That's why black resigned this match. Okay. Now we can go to the checkmate puzzles time. Okay. Let's go to the checkmate puzzles. Okay. Hello everyone, this is checkmate puzzles time. Okay, this is white turn. First move is white turn. In 2 moves, white wins by checkmate. Okay, if you know the right answer, please share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer. I am going to give you 15 seconds only. You need to find the right answer before the 15 seconds. If you don't know the answer after the 15 seconds, I am going to give you the right answer. Okay, this is white turn. First move is white turn. In 2 moves, white win by checkmate. Okay, let's go to the timer. The timer is running right now.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone, this is checkmate puzzles answer time. I am going to tell you the right answer. First white turn. Now white rook go to f6. Now sacrifice the rook. Then if take the rook by the bishop. Okay, that's it. 1 move, beautiful checkmate. Bishop f8 and checkmate. That's it. White won by checkmate. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone.